Okay, one this speed bag, I buy the things separate. Like, let's see, like this part. This one, I get it separate. The wood, I buy it separate. So, so now finally I go installation. The wood, I get it separate. The part separate, and this thing is going holding the wood on the wall, so I have it separate. So now I put it, the part is separate, I put it in one part, everything together. So that's I'm going to do it. I will use a drill, and so this part already coming with his screw, so I just go drill and put it back. And this is so the they come into installation, everything I have it ready, just ready to go. So that's I want to do it. So I just myself here, so so you can have idea what exactly I want to do. So I can know. Or let me find a place like I can continue recording without stop it. Okay, let's see. First, I need to make sure if I am in the center. I don't have my major team, but I'm just guessing. I'm guessing with my hand. Okay. Let's suppose it looks like touch my finger. Well, don't make me sweaty. Okay, let's see. This thing for skin go on the right hole I open. Yeah, and ready to go. Okay, I just need a screwdriver and to lock and put it the rest. Put it these things. Okay, I will have ready this one for when and fixing the other ones too, for because when the day come in the installation, just installation ready to go.